I don't know if you can see it, but there's a squirrel up in the tree teasing my dog. It's right up there against the sunlight. Trying to get the side of it. Oh, here it is, Michael. What? Right there it is. Michael, get it. Get it. Get the squirrel, Michael. Get it. Get the squirrel. Get that. Where's the squirrel? Get that squirrel. Get him. What's that thing doing? Oh, did it go to the other side? What, did it go to the other side? Come on, let's look on the other side. Where'd it go, Michael? Uh-oh, I'm going to run you over. Where'd that squirrel go to? Boy, he just disappeared somewhere. It's gone, Michael. It went bye-bye. Where? Oh, you see it. There it is. There it is. Okay, it's still there. The squirrel is just messing with my dog. It keeps going up the tree and down the tree and messing with my dog. You ready to go inside now? I think that's it.